Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Growth Tutor. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Keyword Planner to find profitable keywords for your Google Ads campaigns or SEO. Let's get started. First, log into your Google Ads account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the Tools and Settings icon from the left menu. Under the Planning section, select Keyword Planner. You'll see three main options. Number 1, discover new keywords to explore keyword ideas related to your business. 2, get search volume and forecasts to see how often people search for certain keywords and how competitive they are. And 3, organize keywords into ad groups to group your keywords for better campaign structure. Let's start with Discover New Keywords. Enter a few terms related to your business. For example, if you run an online women's clothing store in Australia, type keywords like women's dresses, women's clothing, skirts, or jeans. Then click Get Results. Now you'll see a list of keyword ideas along with key metrics, such as average monthly searches, shows how popular a keyword is, competition, indicates how many advertisers are bidding on it, and top-of-page bid, low and high range, gives you an idea of the cost per click. By default, this account's location is set to Australia, but you can easily change the location to another country or even set a specific city as your target, for example, Sydney or Melbourne. To find profitable keywords, look for medium to high search volume, low to medium competition, and a reasonable CPC. By a reasonable CPC. These keywords usually bring the best results at a lower cost. Once you've found your best keywords, check the boxes beside them and either add them to your plan or download the list to use later in your campaign. And that's it. You've learned how to use Google Keyword Planner to find profitable keywords for your business. In the next video, I'll show you how to use these keywords to create your first Google search campaign step by step. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Google Ads and digital marketing tutorials from Digital Growth Tutor. See you in the next one.